Yesterday, out of nowhere, Google convinced NATO to trust them with something slightly more sensitive than your Gmail drafts, a multi-million-dollar sovereign AI cloud designed specifically for defense, intelligence, and please don't leak this to the internet workloads. It is November 24th, 2025, and you're watching the Daily Dose of AI. This instantly puts Google in direct competition with AWS GovCloud, Azure Government, and Palantir's defense stacks, the big three trying to turn global militaries into long-term subscription customers. The new system runs on Google Distributed Cloud Hosted, a fully isolated version of Google's infrastructure that lives inside NATO-controlled facilities, not on Google's public cloud. It's designed for AI-assisted intel analysis, secured data storage, and all the classified but let's run an LLM on it tasks NATO is now dealing with. Pricing, officially. Undisclosed, unofficially. A number that makes your GPU bill feel like pocket change. But here's why this matters. For the last 2 years, every government has been panicking about where their data lives. The magic phrase is sovereign cloud. Cloud infrastructure physically located within a nation or alliance, using region-specific encryption keys and governed by local laws. The EU forced cloud providers to build sovereign versions. Germany, France, and the Netherlands demanded national deployments. NATO needed a unified environment to run intelligence, logistics, cybersecurity modeling, and joint operations without relying on public cloud access. Meanwhile, Google has been aggressively chasing government contracts to catch up with AWS and Azure, who have dominated the defense sector for a decade. So, yes, this deal is a big one. Google's new deal with NATO isn't just another cloud contract. It's a fully isolated, on-prem sovereign system where Google's hardware runs inside NATO facilities but without Google's network, access, or visibility. NATO gets Google's architecture, servers, encryption, HSM-backed keys, offline updates, and zero-trust security, but everything stays physically and digitally locked within NATO's control. The real reason for the deal is AI, secure, air-gapped versions of Vertex AI powering threat analysis, intel summarization, anomaly detection, cyber defense modeling, and logistics prediction, all without touching the public cloud or shared GPUs. Google can't access NATO data, even under foreign legal pressure, because the system is designed so NATO alone controls identity, residency, and authorization. For Google, this is validation that they can build sovereign AI clouds and a major credibility win against AWS, Azure, and Palantir. The deal signals a shift where cloud infrastructure is now geopolitical territory, militaries are adopting LLMs faster than enterprises, and developers will soon need skills in sovereign cloud design, audit-heavy pipelines, and secure model tuning. The challenge? LLM hallucinations, harmless online but dangerous when summarizing battlefield intelligence, meaning NATO will require constant red teaming and evaluation. Big picture, Google just became part of NATO's digital backbone, and the global race to build AI-ready sovereign clouds is officially underway. Smash the like and subscribe.